Hello, learners. In this session, we are going to learn about organizational behavior. What is organizational behavior? Organizational behavior, just as the name states, is a process of understanding and managing human behavior within an organization. An organization not only runs on profits, work, and schedules, but also takes into consideration the human values. Role of managers: interpersonal role, informational role, decisional role. Interpersonal role. Figurehead. In this role, the manager performs duties of a ceremonial nature, such as attending an employee's wedding, taking the customer to lunch, greeting the tourist dignitaries, and so on. Leader role. In this role, the manager is a leader, guiding the employees in the right path with the proper motivation and encouragement. Liaison role. In this role, the manager cultivates contacts outside the vertical chain of command to collect useful information for the organization. Informational role. Monitor role. In this role, manager acts as a monitor, perpetually scanning the environment for the information, keeping an eye for the liaison contacts, and subordinates and receive unsolicited information. Disseminator role. In this role, manager acts as a disseminator by passing down privileged information to the subordinates who would otherwise have no access to it. Spokesperson role. In this role, manager acts as a spokesperson by representing the organization before various outside groups which have some stake in the organization. Decisional role. Entrepreneurial role. In this role, the manager acts as an entrepreneur, always thirsty for innovation to improve the organization. Disturbance handler role. In this role, the manager has to work reactively like a firefighter. The manager should come up with solutions to any problem that arises and handle it with an orderly way. Resource allocator role. In this role, the manager acts as a resource allocator where the manager must divide and delegate authority amongst his subordinates. Negotiator. In this role, the manager acts as a negotiator where the manager at all levels has to spend considerable time in negotiations.